123 rooms. 1 estate. The manor isn't built for living, it's built for dominance. And what's hidden inside this place changes everything you think about luxury. Hidden in Holmby Hills, the manor stands above everything around it. Bigger, quieter, more powerful, like it was never meant to be compared to anything else. The entrance of the manor doesn't invite you, it controls you. Every step forward feels intentional. Like you're entering something far beyond normal human living. Inside the manor, every detail feels engineered for perfection. The scale, the lighting, the silence, everything here feels impossible to recreate anywhere else. The dining spaces inside the manor feel more like a royal event hall than a private home. Every surface reflects wealth, precision, and absolute control. The private rooms inside the manor are designed for complete isolation. Quiet, controlled, and unbelievably refined, like luxury pushed beyond every normal limit imaginable. The pool area inside the manor feels unreal. Every reflection, every light, every angle is designed to create an atmosphere impossible to forget once you see it. The private theater inside the manor feels more immersive than most cinemas. Every detail is engineered to surround you completely and disconnect you from reality itself. Beyond the main rooms, the manor hides spaces designed purely for exclusivity. Private, silent, and controlled, built for a lifestyle almost nobody experiences in real life. At night, the manor transforms completely. The lights, the silence, the atmosphere, everything begins to feel less like reality and more like another world entirely. Everything about the manor was created to leave an impact. Not just through size or money, but through an atmosphere impossible to recreate anywhere else. This is what extreme luxury truly looks like. The manor isn't simply a mansion, it's a world built for power, privacy, and unforgettable perfection.